Hi my friend, today we model this part which has some interesting features with a name safety valve body, and this is Timoteo Carrasotto, the brochure number 2, page 34. You see the source. This is the source. This is the válvula de seguridad assembly, and this is the part we will model. Two views are here. We respect all dimensions we see here, and I hope to don't miss anyone. The drawing is here, including that all dimensions. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrasotto drawings, and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. Now you know the procedure. We create external volumes, which are two here. This is one with a vertical axis, and the other is horizontal with horizontal axis. Then we create the internal volumes. We start with this contour external and this vertical axis. I don't present dimensions. You have all of them right here. So let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, sketch XY plane, a vertical axis starting from the center point as a center line with the length of 170. Then not axis are the other lines. This horizontal and a vertical. Then I restart from this center point to the right, up, left, a vertical, sloped, again vertical, and horizontal. Now I draw a small line here and an arc, which must be tangent to this line. Dimensions. Dimensions are as follows. This is 165. This is 15. This point is placed at 70 millimeters from up. This cylinder is 90 this center is placed at 100 diameter, then 70, then 60, a dimension of 35, this line 35, and an angle of 45 degrees. 3 dimensions needed. One is this 15, another one is 140, and let me see what is missing here. Let's see. Apply the radius. I forgot the radius. The radius is 30. Fully constrained sketch, finish, revolve, and you see now the first volume. We continue with this extension, a flange and a conical. See, this is conical because there is a dimension here 45 and another one in the middle. 140, 15, and the distance is 110. Good. We use the plane XY only because we like to have X to the right, Y up. F7 and lines. Start from here to the left. 110 is the axis. Center line I place on the same vertical this point with a center point, then the distance of 70 here. Other lines are up, right, down, sloped, and back to the center line. Dimensions, this is 140. I draw a line not from the midpoint of this vertical but another point. I hover on this line, and now Inventor knows that I want to create a parallel. You see? This is not useful now, but it will be in the future. This dimension is 45 and the other is 40. The thickness is 10. I want to arrange these dimensions to see better what we have here, and we have to apply this thickness of the flange, 15. Now we have the full constraint sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, Okay. Now we create this internal volume, but adding also fillets. You see here on dimension fillets are radius 4. Being internal, it is difficult to apply them after. Dimensions are here. The same sketch, the same plane for the sketch, XY, F7, and I draw the axis between these two centers, and then lines. Horizontal, vertical, to the right, down, again a small horizontal. I keep pressed the left button and I go down, horizontal again, down, sloped, vertical, down, and back to the center point. This line is not useful. Dimensions. I project this arc because I have to place this point over this one. Dimensions. This is the smaller of 60. The other one is larger of 70. Down we have this of 40 and the other of 50. 50. This is 15. This is 40 from here to the line. And this is 2 millimeters on vertical. This radius is 20. Fillets of 4. 4. Here, 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 and that's all. Finish sketch, revolve, cut, not join. Okay. Now I apply the other fillets to be sure that I don't miss them. 4 millimeters all, but not these two, which are radius 3. This is 4, as well as this, 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 all around here, and then 3 for these two edges. 1, 2. Okay. This internal volume is now easy to create because we will share the sketch. What sketch? This sketch. We have here a sketch and we apply share sketch. It goes here so that when we are at the end of the part we can use it because it's before the end. I select this sketch, right click and then edit sketch. What should I edit here? I edit this line, making it not construction line. Finish sketch, revolve. Now we have two areas. You see, I select this one. The axis is known as this one, so that I use cut. OK, and we have that contour created here, so that all we have to do is to eliminate visibility. Very nice, very interesting. We used this at one of my previous tutorials, recent ones. When we take a look at the model, we see that this flange is oriented along this z-axis. We want to make it the same here, along z-axis. To do this, we use another nice trick by selecting the sketch and applying redefine. Redefine on this plane, not this plane. Y, Z. And the result is very quickly presented. Now, holes. You see, two holes are here and four here. Dimensions are in the views. We start with this 130 for the 2 of 16 holes. I select this face. I draw a line of 110, 130, because this is the length. I place it with its midpoint in the center point, or projection of center point. And that's all. We have a fully constrained sketch. Hole, this point, and this point, with a diameter of 16, to a face, to this face. Yes, we don't go through all the other features. Okay. The other is this number of 4 holes, starting from 45 degrees, diameter of 110, and also 16 is the diameter of the holes. Face, sketch, line, the length is 110 divided by 2, tab, 45 is the angle. Finish sketch, hole this point to the back surface. Okay, then circular pattern for this last feature about this axis of 4, not 6. The last is the bottom, these holes, which are placed on the same circle with the same diameters. I select this face, I draw a line from this center. The length is again 110 divided by 2, tab, the angle is 45. Hole, and this end surface is this. Okay, then we apply circular pattern again for the last created feature about this circle, a number of 4. Okay, that's all, isn't it? We are interested in verifying the volume. I select the value, close, sketch, not sketch, drawing, double click here, and the result 128, 69, 78. Maybe I missed a fillet or something, but we all know that what I did is this. Let me select the material, steel cast, color is blue wall paint, and I select some faces by keeping pressed the key shift from the keyboard. All these 4 faces must be machined, still polished. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.